Hello, my friend. My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Human Biology Part 6. And without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. Glucose plus oxygen gives us water plus carbon dioxide and energy. Cellular respiration. Adenosine triphosphate. ATP. Construct complex substances from simpler ones. Anabolism. Four incisors, two canines, four premolars, six molars. Four types of teeth. Chemical breakdown of food. Chemical digestion. Secreted from cells in gastric pits. Pepsinogen. Transport oxygen and nutrients to cells. Functions of the circulatory system. Substances found in blood plasma. %90 water, 7% proteins, 0.9% inorganic salts, ions, nutrients, sugars, amino acids, lipids, hormones, and vitamins. Erythrocytes. Red blood cells. Thrombocytes. Platelets. The speed at which the heart beats, 72. Heart rate. The amount of blood pumped by the left ventricle in one beat. Stroke volume. Sequence of events that occur when the heart beats. Cardiac cycle. Systole and diastole. Cardiac cycle process. When the heart ventricles are relaxed. Diastole. When the ventricles contract. Systole. Heart rate multiplied by stroke volume cardiac output equation. Is the partition or wall that divides the heart into right and left halves. The right half of the heart contains venous blood, and the left half contains arterial blood. Septum. The partition or wall that divides the heart into right and left halves. The right half of the heart contains venous blood, and the second half contains arterial blood. Chambers. Conveys blood to the heart. Veins. Carries blood from the heart. Arteries. Structure in a vessel that prevents the backflow of blood. There are 4 in the heart. Valves. Dear friends, thank you very much for attending to Human Biology. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.